Ready?
Yes.
Okay. The following video will make you think twice before you joke around. Because this is John.
Hi, my name is Jon, and I am a politician.
John is probably one of the most unconventional politicians you will see. Mainly because
I am not a politician.
John is a comedian who was frustrated with governments, especially after the financial crisis. So he decided to run for government himself as a joke.
Purely as a joke.
He started a new party and called it
The best party.
with a logo similar to the Facebook like that roughly resembled a penis according to him.
We made it a bit longer, so it looked like a penis or like a hand holding a hot dog.
And promised people free towels, a polar bear, and a Disneyland in Iceland. With such a campaign, no one would take him seriously, but to his surprise,
I won! I won? Really?
people were so frustrated with normal politicians that they chose to elect a comedian in charge. And he took the challenge. For the next 4 years, he became the real mayor of Iceland's capital.
And I actually did an amazing job.
He helped turn his city's budget around, advocated for social issues and environmental ones. It was all great and fun, but this is where the jokes end. This extrovert comedian who was full of life and jokes and humor became very sad, tired and frustrated after only 4 years in politics.
Turns out, politics is much more about influence than ideals.
Just think about this for a second. The fact that people elected him tells you that they are frustrated with politics. The fact that he came out of it not wanting to do politics ever again tells you politics is hard, and the fact that all of this happened in Iceland, a country with one of the best political systems in the world, tells you that politics anywhere in the world is really hard. This comedian turned politician turned writer has a message for all of us.
Seek what you want, but be careful what you wish for, because it just might come true. And what are you gonna do then? How the hell did they win?